Now, what about the idea that things expand and contract and that it ultimately will all come back
It was
together?
never.
That's not?
It's allowed in the equations, but the data has never supported that. All data support a one-way expansion. Not only that, the discovery of dark energy is accelerating the expansion. There's a whole section of the book on how it'll all end, and you get really speculative. It's like, okay, given what's happening now and given what we know, here's what we think. If the accelerated expansion goes unchecked, it will overcome all the forces that are currently binding everything you know and love.
Like gravity?
Yes,
Everything.
it'll overcome gravity. So the galaxies will no longer be able to hold together because the expansion of the universe is now manifesting at a local level rather than on a much larger level. So galaxies start getting stretched apart. And then the planets orbiting stars start getting stretched apart. And then the molecules start getting broken apart. And then the atoms themselves. And then in the limit, this stretching reaches the very pixels that comprise the fabric of space and time. It's called the Planck length. That is the very structure of what comprises everything we know in the universe. And so the expansion will ultimately hit that. And we do not know. We don't know what the consequence of that. You know what we call it? It's called the Big Rip. What happens when you stretch fabric? There's a point where it doesn't stretch anymore, and it rips. That's in between 20 and 22 billion years from now. The cosmic acceleration goes unchecked. The world will end in a big rip.